Hey, how's it going, everyone? Again, my name is Alex, and today we're gonna do a tutorial on how to turn on your HDR mode on your Canon R6. So first of all, let me go over as to what HDR is. HDR is high dynamic range. It basically helps you with your highlights and your colors a little bit more better, and so it doesn't look overexposed when it comes to filming. And so one of the features as this Canon R6 I was able to go with, and I didn't know how to turn it on, is it's basically found on the menu, and I just could not turn it on. And so I wanted to find out, well, I had that option, but how do I enable it? So here it is. So the first thing you got to do is, first of all, I tried it out at 4K 60 mode. I was able to go to under the camera menu on the 5th option, and unfortunately it does not enable me to record in HDR under 4K. However, I went back again to the movie recording quality on the first option, and I selected 1080 30 frames per second. Now with 30 frames per second, I was able to go back to the 5th option, and it was enabling me to go ahead and turn HDR mode on. Now with that being said, I was able to go ahead and test this out in my backyard really quick, just panning out a few scenery in the backyard, and I could tell by the skies when HDR mode is on and when HDR mode is off. There's less highlights, a little bit more exposure. So you can definitely balance that out once HDR is on. And so there you go. Those are the steps that I was able to take, and I was able to enable it. Now HDR can only be turned on under those settings, under 1080 30 frames per second. I want Canon definitely to go ahead and enable this under the 4K settings as well. That would be amazing. So, but until then, this is only, I can find this on the R6, and let me know if you guys, for those of you that actually have the R5, let me know what do you guys do on the HDR mode. How do you enable it? Let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, don't forget to give me a like on this tutorial, subscribe to my videos, and keep up with my content. And definitely, guys, if you guys are new to this, appreciate all your feedback and your support. Again, my name is Alex, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.